what's up you guys? It's Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. So, I don't know if this video is gonna make it up on YouTube, but I guess we will find out. Today, oh my god, don't mind my hair, it looks like shit, I'm gonna fix it. Today, I'm going to be meeting KathleenLights, the one and only queen, my queen, YouTube. And she's having a meet and greet at Aventura with Briogeo, and I want to take you guys along. So if you're seeing this, that means I got to meet her. Right now, I'm just getting a couple things done. I'm getting my coffee ready, super important. It's a drive, So we'll see how this quote unquote vlogging thing works. See you guys in the car for the drive to Aventura. Okay, so I'm gonna take this quick second before I get on the expressway to let you guys know that my foundation does not match. Yeah, what the? So I have arrived. I'm in the parking garage. I'm in the parking garage sweating because there's no air in my car because it's broken. Anyway, I'm gonna head over to the Macy's Men where my friends are waiting.
I'm fucking tired.
How are you feeling? I'm shaky. Steph? Birthday twins?
Oh, you're right. Tell her.
Hey, it's Danny!
Oh my god! You are on Twitter. Yes! Yes!
Oh my god!
So I gotta start off with your birthday.
Oh my god!
That's amazing. So does the owner of Briogeo. Thank you guys for coming.
Oh my god. Hi, Danny.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
I have a YouTube channel, so.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Oh my god, she's so cute.
Oh
I can't. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god. I'm still shaking.
I love your shirt.
Alright, you just record over here. Oh my goodness. She's so cute.
No, I'm gonna shake.
Oh, thank you.
Great. Thank you, Daisy.
Okay, meet and greet over. It was so amazing. She's so cute, Kathleen. If by any chance in the world you're watching this, thank you. You are so sweet. And I'm so happy. So right now I'm heading to my car. I got some Dr. Smooth coffee. Very good. And I'm gonna show you guys the essential oils. Okay, so I'm really just gonna sit in my car and sweat my life away because I don't have air. But I wanna show you guys the little essential oils. The reason why she had the meet and greet, it was to celebrate her new collaboration with Briogeo. This is the Briogeo x KathleenLights Be Well Aromatic Essential Oils Kit. It has amethyst, rose quartz, and citrine crystal roller balls. And they're all like really good smelling. I tried the citrine one on at the store and it still smells so good. So this is the little kit. I'm so excited. I literally have almost every single Kathleen collaboration. Wearing So Jaded on my eyes right now. Like, I love her to death. Also, they gave us a little baggie with some Briogeo stuff. So this is a little packet of the Blossom and Blossom Ginseng and Biotin volumizing shampoo and conditioner, and this Briogeo Blossom. Okay, so this is the volumizing spray. And we also got a cute little note Also, my favorite part, honestly, of this little bag is that she gave us a rose quartz crystal, and it's so cute. Look at this. I have rose quartz at home, and it's like the rough kind. This is a smooth finish, and it's so pretty. The little note says, "Hi guys, thanks so much for celebrating the launch of my Be Well wow, I can't speak. Thanks so much for celebrating the launch of my Be Well Aromatic Essential Oils Kit with me today. I'm gifting you some awesome Briogeo goodies that are perfect for creating volume." I literally can't read. That are perfect for creating voluminous locks. You'll also find a rose quartz to help encourage self-love and peace. Love, not love. Enjoy, XX Kathleen. It's so freaking cute. She looks so beautiful in her campaign pictures. Like, yes sis, go off. Let me show you the inside. So this is what it looks like. The 3 oils are there. Essential oils that last forever. You only need a little bit. It makes a cute little pouch that you can keep them in, and it's pretty good size. Like, I'm telling you, the oils last a really long time. It's a cute little roller ball, and I love them. They're so cute. Thank you so much, Kathleen, for creating this product, and thank you so much for being you and just like inspiring me every single day to just keep going. And I love you. You're so cute. So I'm officially sweating my life away. It is so hot. Oh my god, she also told me that she loves my makeup. I was like, girl, it's so jaded. Of course you love my makeup. It's yours. Like, so cute. Anyway, it's really hot. I need to leave. It's a long drive home. And yes, thank you so much for watching today's little vlog video. I'm still like, it's so surreal that when you get to meet somebody that you have been watching for years and years and years and figure out that they're actually a real person. She's so cute and petite. It's crazy. Like, I can't wait to meet more of my favorite influencers and my favorite like internet stars. That was amazing. Wow, thank you so much, Kat. And yes, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I will be making more vlog style videos because I just want to share more of my life with you. And yes, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.